We started the program without having a concept in mind. Slowly, the concept of time appeared. I'm Alia Zaal Lootah. I'm an Emirati national. I work as assistant curator for modern and contemporary art at the Louvre Abu Dhabi. I curated collab contemporary art and savoir-faire. The selection at the beginning was about 15 artists based in the UAE, both Emiratis and non-Emiratis. We went through a filtration process. In all the pairs, you can see that the voice of the artist is as loud as the voice of the manufacturer. Walking around this installation, you feel like it moves in the same way the maps move on our phones, where they're unstable. Once the works were installed, looking at them all together, it just gave me this satisfying feeling because they were all speaking to each other.